guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shamsia. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, kindly subscribe and join the family. Guys, today's vlog is a Sunday in my life. I ended the other vlog, so if you haven't watched, kindly go and watch. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, you're welcome. Guys, I just came back from town and I'm so tired. I'm now eating my jollof rice here, and these are the things I got for my sister. I'm sending them to her in Turkey. So the things are here. What I got for myself are in the kitchen and in the fridge. I bought a chest freezer, so we'll be unboxing our chest freezer. So I'm so tired. I'm done eating my food and I'm still sitting here. Like, I'm tired. I'm so tired. I need the network today more than ever, but Vodafone is disappointing me, and I exchanged my SIM. I kept my small phone in the iPhone so I can get MTN data, but still seeing network problems. So it's stressing me out because I have to meet someone and deliver all these things to the person, and I cannot communicate with my sister to get her number. So it's stressing me so much. It's stressing me so much. I feel like crying. Guys, I got police vest yam. I got this pepper, all of this for 5 cedis. And then I got some onions. I got I didn't get this pineapple. My mom's doctor actually gave this. It was my mom's friend, our family doctor. She gave this. Yes, I bought some ginger. And then garlic. I don't know how I got this. This is what I remember. So fortunately for me, the lady has answered the call. I'm currently wrapping the things so that I will meet her at Liberia camp. She said she's close to me, so she's close to my place. So that's what I'm trying to see. How do you pull up these things? I always do it, but I just don't know how to do it. That's how my life is. I mean, finally my fridge is here. So I got the stabilizer and then the chest freezer. See you in the morning, hopefully. Good night. Good morning, guys. I hope you're all doing so well. So guys, it's the next day. Today is Sunday, 10/11. This is going to be part of my unboxing. I actually just woke up. I'm so tired. I'm supposed to be at a wedding, and today is the bridal shower. I do not have energy for any of the two, but then I have to. So I don't know. I have to forgo, and I have to convince my mom, and then forgo the wedding, and then go for the bridal shower. It's 10:12 at the moment, so I'm yet to. I left back at my mom's place yesterday because I knew today I'll be going out. So I'll bring him back when I'm coming. I'm gradually regaining my energy, preparing my breakfast now, and then I'll update you guys on my pantry when I'm done with my breakfast. I'll take you to the bridal shower because I've finally decided I'm not going for the wedding. I'll find a way of talking to my bride, like my friend bride, so she will understand, because it's been so hectic. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, so my tea is here. The cup is extremely full. That's how I take my tea. That's how I take my tea. So guys, the update on my pantry is that I asked someone to do for me, and then the price, the amount he's telling me he'll take out, I think is too much. So I wanted to see if I can do it myself. Like I'll take the measurement, go to the timber market, because I usually go there because I've been doing construction for some time now, so I know where to get all this material. So I'll go ask, find out if it will be better I do it myself, because at the end of the day it's just the shelves he's mounted, nothing more, and then he's taking the amount of money. So I'll try, if I can do all the polishing and stuff, then get my how do we call that thing, this mount, this metal thing they use for mounts. If I get the name or the picture, I'll insert it in the video. We are running late, so I have to be taking my tea alongside unboxing this fridge. So that at least this will be the name. So this is how it looks. Okay.
By the sounds I'm breathing in, hold tight, chemicals collide, hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you, dripping lights paint.
So guys, this is it. I think it's okay. My husband made me feel so bad yesterday when I sent him the video. It looks small in the video, but it's actually not small, because I can fit in. Back will fit in. Back will also fit in. So that's basically it. I'll push it because of the door. Oh, but the door can still open. Oh, Chelsea, and I think I could have gone for a bigger one tomorrow. Because by reading my intro. So when you open, this is how it looks. I think this is for your, I don't know, what do you use for, tell me. And then there's a division here, and then inside Koichi, and then so guys, I'm running late. But then I have to fix this so that the fridge can be working while I'm away. When I come back, I'll come and tell you guys how I didn't like this fridge is Zara, the other one too is Zara. I don't know of the brand, but my cousin keeps recommending it. That it's good. And then honestly, since I started using this one, I haven't got any problem. I was using LG, and then it's got a problem, so I got this small one to use it. Okay, I think this is the handle. So when I come back, I'm running late. I cannot take a look at it. When I come back, I'll come to this. You go through the so I think where it is. So guys, that's basically it. I've kept some water inside. So when we come back, we will come and check how like the fridge works. So that's basically it. So thanks so much for watching, and thanks for the support. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Let me know if you ever used this Zara fridge before, so that I will know what to expect. Even though I'm using the fridge, I haven't used the freezer before, but the fridge, I haven't faced any problem with it yet. So I'm hoping I enjoyed this one as well. Thanks so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, join, and then subscribe, like, and blah blah blah, in case I'm not able to come back to end this vlog. See you in my next one. Bye bye.